Hi, in this video I will show you how to use bots on the Discord mobile. Discord bots will help you in many ways. So if you want to attach any bot with your Discord mobile, you can simply watch this video till the end. So to connect your Discord with the bots, you have to follow this procedure. First of all, open your browser, any browser you are using, and you have to search for the Discord bots. And once you will search for it, you will see a website top.gg, or you can also search for top.gg to get these bots. So first of all, tap on it, and now you will see a search option here. You can search for any bot on this website. Also you will see top bots here. So you have to select any bot from here, like Me6 is the famous bot for the Discord. Simply click on the view. You can simply connect this bot with your Discord, as you will see add to the Discord option. And now you have to select any server that is created on your Discord. So click on the setup Me6, and now you have to give the authorization. And once you will give the authorization, this bot will be connected with your Discord mobile. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.